AI is changing the world, especially in call centers. AI-powered systems like chatbots and virtual assistants are now common. They handle customer interactions with speed and efficiency. Many believe call center jobs are at risk, but AI is not taking over completely. AI excels at repetitive tasks and data processing. Yet, for complex problems and human connections, AI falls short. The future of call centers lies in collaboration between humans and AI. Together, they can provide better service and efficiency. The rise of AI in call centers is a transformation, not a threat. AI reshapes your role, handling mundane tasks so you can focus on meaningful customer interactions. Your role is evolving. With AI taking over repetitive tasks, you can engage in complex problem solving and customer care, providing higher service levels. Adaptation and upskilling are crucial. Embrace new technologies and enhance your skills to stay ahead and remain invaluable. AI is a powerful tool that augments your capabilities, freeing you to focus on personalized service and creative solutions. So, how can you stay ahead of the curve and thrive in this new era of AI-powered customer service? The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence are transforming the way businesses operate, especially in customer service. To not just survive but truly thrive, you need to embrace a proactive approach to your personal and professional development. The answer lies in continuous learning and development. This means not only keeping up with the latest trends and technologies, but also investing time in acquiring new skills and knowledge. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or attending workshops, the key is to never stop learning. Focus on honing those uniquely human skills that AI finds difficult to emulate. Empathy and emotional intelligence are at the forefront of these skills. In a world where machines can handle routine tasks, your ability to connect on a human level becomes your unique selling point. The ability to understand and respond to customers' emotions is crucial. This involves not just listening to what they say, but also picking up on nonverbal cues and understanding the context of their concerns. Empathy allows you to build trust and rapport, which are essential for customer satisfaction and loyalty. AI can recognize keywords, but it can't truly grasp the nuances of human emotions. This is where your emotional intelligence comes into play. Critical thinking and problem solving are also vital. When a customer comes with a complex issue that falls outside the script, you need to be able to think critically and find creative solutions. This requires a deep understanding of the problem and the ability to think outside the box. When a customer comes with a complex issue that falls outside the script, you need to be able to think critically and find creative solutions. This requires a deep understanding of the problem and the ability to think outside the box. Communication and interpersonal skills are equally important. Clearly and effectively conveying information and building rapport with customers remain essential. Good communication can turn a frustrated customer into a loyal one. Adaptability and tech savviness are also crucial. The ability to learn new technologies and adapt to changing systems is essential in an AI-driven workplace. This means being open to change and willing to step out of your comfort zone. The ability to learn new technologies and adapt to changing systems is essential in an AI-driven workplace. This means being open to change and willing to step out of your comfort zone. By continuously learning and developing these skills, you can ensure that you remain valuable and relevant in the age of AI. So, embrace the change, invest in yourself, and get ready to thrive in this exciting new era. Rather than fearing AI, embrace it as a valuable tool that can make your job easier and more efficient. By working in tandem with AI systems, you can leverage their strengths while capitalizing on your own human capabilities. Imagine this. AI handles the initial customer interaction, gathering basic information and resolving simple queries. If the issue is more complex or requires a human touch, you seamlessly step in, armed with all the data AI has already collected. This frees you from mundane tasks, allowing you to focus on providing personalized support and building meaningful connections with customers. Additionally, AI can help you upskill by providing training and insights, enabling you to continuously improve your performance and stay ahead in your career. As AI reshapes the call center landscape, it's creating new job opportunities. The integration of AI is not just about replacing human roles, but enhancing them. This transformation opens doors to positions that require technical expertise and human insight. These roles focus on managing, improving, and working alongside AI systems. Professionals are needed to ensure AI tools function optimally and support business processes. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows human workers to engage in more meaningful work. Embracing lifelong learning and viewing AI as an ally will help you thrive in this new era. As we look ahead, the future of AI in call centers is bright and full of potential. AI will continue to evolve, becoming even more sophisticated and integrated into daily operations. Imagine a call center where AI not only handles routine inquiries, but also provides real-time support to human agents, offering suggestions and solutions as they interact with customers. This seamless collaboration between human and machine will lead to faster resolutions and higher customer satisfaction. In the future, AI will also play a significant role in personalizing customer interactions. By analyzing past interactions and customer data, AI can tailor responses and recommendations to meet individual needs, creating a more personalized and engaging customer experience. This level of customization will set new standards for customer service excellence. Moreover, the advancements in AI will lead to the development of new tools and technologies that will further streamline call center operations. From advanced speech recognition to predictive analytics, these innovations will empower call centers to operate more efficiently and effectively. The future of AI in call centers is not just about technology. It's about creating a harmonious blend of human creativity and machine efficiency. As AI continues to shape the industry, the opportunities for growth and innovation are endless. By embracing these changes and staying ahead of the curve, call centers can look forward to a future where they are more dynamic, responsive, and customer-centric than ever before. So, what does the future hold for you in the AI-driven world of call centers? The possibilities are limitless, and the journey is just beginning. Stay curious, keep learning, and be ready to embrace the exciting changes that lie ahead.